here. Let's see how this works. Put this one in here like that. You gotta go pee-pees now. Daddy's gotta go pee-pees now that he hears all this water trickling. Fill them up again. Ready? Fill them up. Here we go. I know. Oh, it's spraying on you. Just like in Chippies. I know. I know. You got your cute little swim trunks on? You and Daddy is a kind of match. Our bellies look the same too. That's terrible. Except mine's not baby fat anymore. It's 30-year-old fat.
You're not fat.
31-year-old. 31-year-old. Big Labor Day weekend. It's dumping water. Just like that. Here it goes. In the water. They sink. You want Daddy to skim the pool again?
Mommy will.